Say hello, Nicole. To me. What are you doing? Sweetie, what are you doing? You better move your... I'll get it. I'm checking out the water. Oh, it's nice. You never went in Lake Michigan this summer.
I wonder if it's any warmer in the pool.
Well, here we have, on a beautiful sunny day, Carly, Pam, Joanna, Jen, Nicole, who's sucking the salt water, Lorna, Roxy, and Ricky.